Hi, I'm Anthony Famorgan, a software engineer with 5 years of experience in the industry. My career started at Adventist University of the Philippines, wherein I had the opportunity to develop web and desktop applications from scratch. Also, heavily involved in enhancing and maintaining the university's admission and registration system. Also, had the opportunity to lead the adoption of Git to increase collaboration within the team. CI/CD to automate deployments, and lastly, GitLab to ensure that our day-to-day tasks are aligned with the department's goals and deliverables. At YNS Philippines, I'm one of the backend software engineer that is working with product owners, Scrum Master, QAs, as well as fellow backend engineers in maintaining the customer's web application. I had the opportunity to lead the implementation of subscription feature with the integration of Stripe API. The um, technologies I was exposed to were Laravel, Vue.js, and Docker, as well as some AWS services such as EC2 and S3. Currently, I'm at Asurion. I am one of the software engineers that creates root cause analysis of the issues reported. It includes reading documentation, familiarizing business processes, reading code bases, and modifying data on production databases. Apart from that, I am also heavily involved in developing features to address technology gaps that the current systems has. So the technologies that I was exposed to were Node.js, React, and um, Oracle database as our main database, and Lambda function, one of the AWS services apart from S3. Again, thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself, and I hope to hear from you soon.